Linksphere is for helping you network after the event. Instead of like a CRM, it's a CRB, a contact relationship building software. That's the key. That's what you're really trying to do when you're networking. To get to the point where someone cares about how well you do. But it's got to be, reciprocal. And that's the point. It's not about if I stand in front of enough people, eventually somebody's going to say, hey, I need your stuff. That's not what it's about. You can do that, but if you want to do that, you can go do cold calling too, because it's about the same percentages. It's the same kind of a thing. All right, let's describe it this way. So I'm a networker. I'm going to go to an event. What's my first problem at the event? My first problem is I don't know who's in the event. Maybe I'm trying to hook up with real estate professionals, okay? So imagine the people at the event are using Linksphere. You turn on broadcast and you can see who's in the room. Oh, okay, there's some real estate professional. Oh, they're 10 feet away from me. Let me go over and talk. Normally they hand you a card, okay? Well, they don't have to now. You've got their profile right there on your screen. Use your voice to text to add the note of all the stuff you just learned real fast. Save yourself the time. Maybe some people you didn't get a chance to talk to, but you want to talk to them later. Well, all those profiles in there are going to stay there for 24 hours. So what are you going to do now? Well, you'd go through and take a look at the contacts and say, well, you might want to follow up with them. We've got ideas in the app. It gives you ideas of how you could follow up. All right, now you meet more people and you put more in there. Now, how do you remember to stay in touch with the first guy? Well, you can create a follow-up reminder and say how frequently you want to be reminded to be in touch. And you go on. You run into a situation where you can give them a referral. You can do it right in the app. It's a piece of cake. You're out doing a sales call and you want to see which of your contacts are around you. Well, you can see all by address on the geo map. Save yourself time. Oh, I'm right near Joe. Let me go visit him. It just goes on and on and on. You want to categorize your contacts in various ways, you can do that. It's making every part of networking easier, more streamlined, and it's kind of making you smarter as a networker. My long-term objective is not to give a simple productivity tool. I'm trying to change the culture of networking. So I've been working on this company for a couple years now, okay? And most of our work over the last couple of years was in building a website. And that was more of a proving ground. In retrospect, it's more of a proving ground at this point. We learned a lot. We learned what we needed, what we didn't need. But the major thing that we learned that we needed is we needed to become mobile first. Now, fortunately, we were able to bring on 2 companies that really saw the potential in what we're doing. And they have all of the facilities and the people to build the application. So we're in good shape there. That's exciting. We're moving forward. This is going to happen. The problem is this. If we've got a great product and no company to get it out anywhere, who's going to benefit, right? We're going to have this awesome product that is going to help people solve a major problem in their business lives. But we need to have a team and a functioning organization that actually is able to get the word out and to facilitate all of these people that are going to be using this app. When they have issues, when they have ideas of new things, of how it could be improved, we need to be able to respond to that. We need to be able to be 100% focused on building that and growing that. The great thing about this is that every person who changes their mind about how they network in this way benefits not just themselves, but everybody else. It becomes easier to network for everyone, for every person that changes their mindset to this generosity mindset, to how to really build relationships. It's not just oh good, I'm going to change so I can get still. No, it has side effects for everyone else too, positively. And that's one of the awesome things about it.